Hi guys, let me show you how you can fix the problem that if you right click into your display and you can see right here, the Nvidia control panel is missing from your system. It's something really easy to do, so let's start with the tutorial. Now, the first thing that I recommend you guys to do is to update your graphic card drivers. You can do it in a couple of different ways with Nvidia GeForce Experience, but the simplest way for this method is to right click into the Start button right here and go into Device Manager. Once this window is open, you want to click into Display Adapters and expand that menu and double click into your graphic card. You want to go into the tab above when you see Driver and click into Update Driver. In here, you want to click into Search automatically for drivers. If you already have the latest drivers available, it's going to show up. If not, you're going to be installing them. Now, you can close this window right here. And now go into the search bar right here. And you want to type Services. Right here, open the Services app, and you want to scroll down all the way until you see Nvidia Display Container right here. Double click into it, and if you have it stopped, you want to click into Start. If it's started and you still don't have the control panel, click into Stop one time, wait until it's on, and then click into Start again. Now you can close both of these windows, and now when you right click into your screen, you are going to have the Nvidia control panel available for you guys. That's it for this tutorial, guys. If you find it useful, don't forget to drop a like, and a new subscriber is always welcome into this channel. Thanks for watching, and like always, see you guys on the next time. Bye bye.